Okay. I don't know if I filmed the proper intro, so this is the proper intro that I'm filming after. You get it. So today's vlog is a huge update about the Mustang project, which is behind me. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff, installation of ISC suspension, installation of brakes, big shouts to Tarox, big shouts to ISC. We did a lot of behind the scenes stuff, valve cover gaskets, tie rods, inner, outer, both sides, lower control arm kit in the rear. All this stuff is going to kind of be tossed in this big update with a Details by Doug, as well as the installation of some stickers today. So I've gotten a lot done in the past few weeks, thankfully. Cannot thank everybody who's involved with the project enough. ISC suspension, Tarox brakes, Branson Garage, Kyle Harper, Katie Designs, of course. Details by Doug. I think that's everybody. Yeah, it's really coming together now. I'm excited. Hope you enjoy this kind of mishmash of a video, and you'll see more of us very soon.